To the EU charts, this is my daily charts, and then from what we have on the EU charts, on the daily charts, let's try to make meaning out of these moves on the daily time frame. So the first thing we can see here is price is doing something really nice on the daily. We have what looks like a bearish trend. This was bearish for quite some time, and then price turned around. And it became a bullish move. So price has been going bullish for quite some time, and on this bullish move we have what looks like this. Price is doing something like this, going bullish. So this simply tells us we have a bullish trend at hand. This is not so great, does not look so great. However, this is what price is doing on the chart. So we have something like this. Okay, we can just keep it there because this high is being tested right there. So price has done something like this on the daily time frame. So we know we have key levels at these two places. We have one here and we have one down here. These are the two very important key levels in this market. Likewise, we have one which is right about this high over here. So these places are really good key levels in this market. So let me quickly use my MT4 tools to mark this up before I wipe it out. So we place a zone there, and likewise we place another zone at this low, and over here we can have a horizontal line right there. Okay, so on the daily time frame, these are the key levels we have in mind. So let's go to the low time frame, the H4 to begin with. So this is the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart we have a very good bullish trend which became a bearish trend. So on the left hand side here we have a very clean bullish trend, and this bullish trend has switched into a bearish trend. So price was doing something like this, and right now we have what looks like this. Right now we have what looks like this. So this is the trend we have right now on EU, on the Euro USD. Price has done something like this. Remember, the black line is a daily low, right? So price did a pullback, and then this pullback tested a good level, and price is going back down to this low one more time. So the only thing we can look out for on EU is price giving us a possible double bottom right there. So if price comes all the way down to retest that very low, and on that very low we have a good confirmation at that very low, we should know price is setting up for something really interesting. So right now what we can see on EU is a possible double bottom confirmation which is about to happen. So this has not happened yet, which means we need to be patient with this market. When you join in, kindly use the mute button so there's no interruptions, right? So we have this low, which is price is very close to testing this low. We just need to be a little patient, a little more patient, and then when price finally tests this low and we have good confirmations, we know where price is going to head to. So the confirmations in this case is most likely going to give us some short-term long. This is a short-term long because definitely this remains a bearish trend. This move here remains a bearish trend, so we have a possible short-term long in this case here, for as long as this low here does not get broken. So this remains a short-term long. For as long as we have confirmations inside of this zone and this zone here does not break, we are good to go to the top side. Keep in mind also we have a good daily key level which lines perfectly with this level here. So the daily key level, which is the black line, the horizontal line, and we have the H4 level right here, the zone on the H4 right here. So if all these two lines up and we have good confirmation, there is a possible long in this case. This on the H4 is a downtrend, so the key level at this low is a defining key level. If this key level does not break, there is definitely some potentials to the top side. So let's watch out for this. This is not ready yet, but we need to be patient and watch out for whatever is going to happen right inside of this zone. So that is EU, and this looks very great. Let's quickly look at the H1 for some possible extra confirmations. So on the H1, this is what we have on the H1. When you look at the H1 looks also very interesting because we have some extra details on the H1. This also definitely has been a downtrend, and there is a little confirmation on the H1, which looks like price has given us a confirmation for a switch, for a change in the trend, right? We have something like this, and then price did this. This high over here looks like it has been broken, and price looks like it is making a retest back down to this very key level on the H1. So this H1 here looks really great. We have extra confirmation, and I'm also going to point out something really interesting on the H1. When you look so closely, you would notice what price has done right here. So price, in this case, price did very good confirmation here. We have a very good H and S right there, inverted H and S, and then price did this move. So right now we can see price has come back down to retest that key level, and do not forget we have the daily key level right here. All of this confirmation lines perfectly with the daily key level, the black line. So there is a lot of actions, there is a lot of possible actions from that very low, and this is one of the important reasons why it is important to This is why it is very important to break your charts down to the small time frames. So if I was just looking at the H4, I would probably have missed out on these extra vital details. So these details are really important. They could help you get better entries. They could help you take advantage of moves for the setup. So in this case here, we have a very good confirmation here on the H1, and price is setting up a possible bullish move, right? But this looks very good for some bullish actions. And also keep in mind that is not the only level. We have this low right here on the H1. These are the two important levels on the H1. These two places, they are very close. However, you may use these two levels the right way and use it to get proper risk management of stop losses and lot sizes and all of that. So these two places are really important places for entries. Possible longs at any of these two places. And keep in mind, we have bias for longs for as long as the ultimate low, which is right here, does not get broken. This is the low from the H4. So for as long as this H4 low does not get broken, we have possible longs in this market. So it is important to know how to manage your trade, and trade management goes a long way. So it depends on the time frame you are looking at it and how you are taking your entries. These are very good tips, very good levels you could use to manage your entries. So if you take a trade, you are not looking to hold all the way through for as long as this low does not break. You need to hold it and react to whatever price does. If price closes you out on this first entry with a good stop loss, you should know you are going to look out for what price is going to do on the next level. At any of these places, we are looking for logs. So that is EU, very clean, very interesting. Key levels are being tested, and